hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Let me know down below. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the things I have loved throughout September. I just scratched my chin. Did you even notice? That really hurt. Anyway, I'm going to be sharing with you all the things I have loved throughout September. Now, I'm not going to lie, there's not overly loads here, and that is simply because I feel like in September, I've been here, there and everywhere. I've gone to a few things which I will mention in this video, so I don't have anything to kind of hold up and share with you guys. But yeah, we're going to sit, we're going to chill. I've got my iced coffee, which is here. I made it myself, obviously. Just very excited about it. It needs to do a sip, one sec. Lovely. But anyway, I'm going to be sharing with you all the things I've loved throughout September. As I just said, not overly loads, but I do want to share them with you anyway. I find it really hard to share with you guys what I love every month at the moment, only because all I'm doing is working and reading books. So I'm trying not to show too many book favourites in my favourites, because I do mention all the books I've read in my kind of like reading wrap-up videos. But I have got one to share with you, which honestly, best book I've read this year, so you guys need to wait for it. Anyway, without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first few things I'm going to share with you are all of the things that I can't physically hold on camera, or I'm going to have to kind of insert photos because it's things that I've done as opposed to actual physical objects. So the first thing I want to share with you is something that me and Ryan purchased together at the start of the month, and it was definitely our first big adult purchase. Unfortunately, it's not a massive house, it's not a car, and then really unfortunately it isn't a dog, so that's really upsetting. But anyway, me and Ryan decided that we were going to purchase the custom shop BC Rich Eddie Munson Stranger Things guitar, which was a very big purchase. I'm not gonna lie, I still feel a little bit queasy that we spent that much money, but we had the money saved. We are semi-decent with our money, we do save it, so it was something that we really wanted. We saw it was coming out and we thought, do you know what? This is something that we can keep forever. We can keep it, we could sell it in the future, it will go up in value, but it's one of 200, so it isn't something that's going to lose value, basically. So I don't actually have it here with me, it's at the flat where me and Ryan live. However, I will insert photos and videos so you guys can see it. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen it, but yeah, this is something that we wanted. We were really contemplating it for a long time, and as soon as we kind of decided, we put our order in, and we actually collected it a lot sooner than we thought. So we ordered it a few months ago, and it said it was going to be available in January, so we were like, oh, that's great, we've got plenty of time to just save up more money and like replenish the savings, if you know what I mean. But they rang us at the end of July, oh no, August, and said, oh, it's here. So we were like, right, let's just go get it then. So we went and got it. It was somewhere near London, and yeah, it was a very exciting purchase, which I do not regret one bit, and I'm very excited about it. But yeah, if you didn't know, I play guitar, Ryan plays guitar, so it was kind of an inevitable purchase that we should have done, so that's what we bought. That was my favourite. I am loving it. It sounds amazing, it's beautiful, and we got number 44 of 200, so that's that. My next favourite of the month was the hen do that I went to. So me and two other girls are bridesmaids to my amazing friend Becky, who is having her wedding party at the end of September. So I'm filming this a little bit in advance, so the party for the actual wedding hasn't happened yet, but the hen do was incredible. We all went to a spa in Birmingham. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my stories and my pictures that I posted. It was just really lovely. It was so relaxing and so beautiful, and it was such a beautiful venue. I think it was called the Belfry Spa in Birmingham. Belfry, I think that's how you pronounce it, but it was really beautiful. I'd highly recommend it. We stayed in these little lodges and it was just so good and amazing, and I wanted to mention that because it seemed to be quite a success, so we were really impressed with ourselves and it worked really well. So yeah, that was another favourite of mine. And my last favourite of the month, before I go on to the very few physical favourites that I have, was that I got to go to one of my oldest friend's wedding parties this month. It was incredible. She and her partner have been together for 9 years and they've been engaged for 6, and it was just beautiful. Like, I'm so happy for them. They are finally married and it's so lovely. They've got a house, they've got a dog, and they've got a very exciting future on the way. So yeah, a lot of stuff happening, but yeah, that was amazing. It was so fun, and we were there from 4 until about 12:30 in the morning, and it was just so fun and amazing, and it was nice to see all of my old friends again. So yeah, absolutely loved that. I think Ryan had a great time, and I'm still feeling tired from it. It was only a couple days ago as I'm filming this, so it was amazing. So there's a few pictures from that night and day, and it It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm so happy for them. So yeah, anyway, ramble over. I feel like I've spoken at you for about 5 minutes. Let's move on to the physical favourites. My neighbours are banging. Why? They always seem to make noise when I'm filming. Really annoying. Anyway, moving on, let's go on to the physical favourites. When I say I only have a few, I really only have a few favourites this month because, like I said, I have been busy, left, right and centre doing things, and also all I've been doing is reading. If you could see my physical TBR pile right now, it consists of like 43 books, so I am on a mission to read as many as I can before the end of the year, so that is all I've been doing. However, my makeup favourite of the month, I'm actually wearing it right now, that is the Kiko Milano lipstick. Well, it's like a lip balm actually. I have mentioned it before, it's in the shade Almond. These are one of my all-time favourite lip products ever. They remind me very much of the YSL lipsticks in terms of the texture, because they're so, I don't want to say balmy, because it is a lip balm, but it's just so easy to wear, so beautiful, and this is the almond shade. They have a few other colours, but this one, I just really like it. Easy to apply, really glossy, I just think they're beautiful. I think it was probably, I don't think it was more than £10, so really affordable. I really like it, and I've had it for a little while now, and I do wear it quite often, and I haven't used very much, so they do last a while, so I would really recommend them. I think they have a red one, maybe like a plumish one, and like a clear one I think as well. So yeah, love these. Really, really good. My next favourite is my book favourite of the month, and when I say that I loved this book is the best book I've read all year. The plot twist at the end, I still can't quite comprehend it. I finished it about 2 days ago, and I had to message everybody that I know that reads books. I was like, right, read this book, trust me, it's incredible. And that is Win, Lose, Kill, Die by Cynthia Murphy. This book, I need a sequel. Like, I need another book to this. I cannot tell you how incredible this book was. Now, I am going to go into detail about this book. I won't spoil it as much as I can, but I do apologise if I spoil a little bit, but I'm not going to tell you the plot twist. It was incredible. So basically this book is about a girl called Liz who goes to boarding school. It's a very, very high up UK boarding school. It's very, I don't want to say prestigious, that's not the right word. It's very hard to get in. You don't get to just go there and apply there. You get chosen to go to this school. It is full of incredibly intellectual people, and within this school there is like a secret society. That's not really a spoiler because you find that out on the sort of first 2 pages, but there's like a secret society where it's like head girl, head boy, deputy head girl and boy, and then a group of other people, and they are kind of like the higher end of the school, if that makes any sense. Kind of like prefects, I suppose, if you had those at school. It's kind of the same sort of thing. However, the head girl actually gets murdered. Well, she dies in a lake, which is very questionable. You do have notes throughout the book of the killer as well, so you kind of read it, and it's just, I can't tell you how good this is. Anyway, so she died at the lake, which was ruled off as an accident, and then a year later all the students go back after summer. Liz, the girl that you're reading as, she suffered a really bad head injury, so she has really bad dizzy spells, and from falling in the river, in the lake, not the river, in the lake, and damaged her head. Anyway, this book is insane. Loads of people die. It is quite, not gory, but it is quite like descriptive, and at the end you obviously find out who done it. And I could not see it coming. I cannot tell you, but I could not see it coming. This was just, like, I was so shocked within this book. Now, I loved A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. The end of that book had me shocked. I did not see it coming, but this trumps that book. If you loved A Good Girl's Guide to Murder, please buy this book and tell me how much you loved it without spoiling it for anyone else in the comments. I am obsessed. We need a sequel, so if Cynthia Murphy for whatever reason stumbles across this video, or if you know her, can you please tell her to write a sequel? I need to know what happens. I need to know the rest of the story. Does it continue? Let me know. But yeah, obsessed. This is the best book I've ever read in my life, so read it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, because I'm still shocked about it, to be honest. I can't get over it. My last favourite is my Lush favourite, and by no surprise it has to be something Christmas related, and that is the Snow Fairy body spray. Now this body spray, it just brings me sentimental vibes. I love this so much. It's so sweet. Obviously if you don't like Snow Fairy, you're not going to love this, but if you love Snow Fairy, bubblegum, cotton candy, something that smells pink, you will love this. They are quite expensive, I'm not gonna lie. They do retail for sort of between the £20 to £30 mark. However, I do find that the smell of these is so intense that you could spray it once and it would last all day, so it does last a really long time. As you guys know, I had the Plum Rain one on the go for months, so I am loving this. I still have quite a bit left, but yeah, if you haven't tried the Snow Fairy body spray and you love cotton candy bubblegum smells, give it a try. It's delicious, and I have been obsessed with it this past month because it's getting towards the festive season and I'm so excited. I can't wait. So yeah, if you haven't tried this, give it a go. So that is everything for my September favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I do apologise again that I literally had 3 to 4 physical things to share with you. I feel like this month has flown by and I haven't really had time to delve into new makeup and stuff like that. I did briefly mention it, but me and Ryan are living at the flat now, which is where he used to live with his dad, so we're staying there. So all of my stuff is still at home, so I don't have overly loads there, if that makes sense. So I am kind of like back and forth quite a lot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so incredibly much. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.